Alright, this is WWJ Whipping with Joe. Anyway, hope you folks safe out there. So you get your mask on. But anyway, this is on the Okuma. I just finished my 39th hour here, but let's see. This is not a failure, but we're gonna go for a top here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go crank it down here. You can hear the indent, like it's smooth right now. Then you can hear it start to click. There we go. Then it's smooth. It's smooth. I'm still turning it. It's smooth. Smooth. Now you can hear the indent. Click, click, click. It should be click, click, click. There we go. Now you got it. But it's almost locked down. It's smooth now. It's clicking. Okay, this is already locked down. Now it should be clicking on the way out. Like so. There we go. Now it's smooth. It's smooth. It's smooth. Now you've got to click again. This is making it loose. Now it's loose, loose. Maybe it's all the way out now. Nope. For some reason it's got clicks and some of them not. So I'm not sure. We're gonna take it apart and actually see what's going on here. Now they got this flat spot here for some reason. But anyway, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna take it apart and see what's up here. Why it's not clicking? It's not clicking. Now the clicker is all inside here. And we gotta take it apart. I'm not sure. One more time here. See the smooth spot, then it starts to click. I'm not sure whether or not it's all locked down and there wasn't hardly any clicks at all. Now you got the clicks. So you should have clicks going in, going back, and like all the time. But I don't know. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We're gonna have to call a tech here on Monday. Again, WWJ Whipping with Joe. This is on the Okuma. 39 hours. Still cranking smooth. Ah. Anyway, aloha. Be safe out there. Use your mask. Yes,